Yeah, JJ is he's like an older brother to me. I first met him in Auckland at Steve Oliver's gym. He was already coming over back and forth from America then. He's a talent, man. He's an amazing athlete. He's taught me a lot since I've been with Steve. And then, yeah, he's a big influence in my jiu-jitsu career. He's always telling us to get over here as much as we can.
My name is JJ Thomas Wilson. My mum's side is from Ngāti Ranganui and my dad's side is from Ngāti Maniapoto. Yeah, so I'll be competing on Friday or Saturday in my brown belt. So I'm looking forward to that. Also fighting in January 25th in LA for Bellator. So exciting things coming up.
Ko tae tōmu atu a Hakaraia, kia rongo ai ia I te ihi o te whakataetai. I te tautoko anō hoki, I tana hoa aru koura.
I know the caliber of people that are in his bracket. But on the flip side, I know every dog has its day, and that doesn't discourage me at all going in.
A lot of stuff is going on with JJ right now. We were debating if he was going to compete or not for the awards because he just signed up for Bellator. But JJ is a natural, he trains a lot and he's really good. So I have high hopes with JJ.
Yes, Jay! Finish!
Besides ADCC, that's the Olympics from the no-gi. I think the IBJJF no-gi Worlds is one of the best competitions in the world. So you can expect a high level, and you're gonna fight the best guys out there. I'm excited.
In New Zealand, we have really high level Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. If we just had more high level athletes in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu inside our gyms, we would be at the same level as we do here.
I whai mētara rauwhiroa JJ, he whakahihitanga maona tūpuna no Ngāti Ranginui me Ngāti Maniapoto.